Boys, about 4 months ago, I uploaded a video where I transformed and customized my subscribers' cars. In that video, I told you guys that if we reached 1,000 likes, I'd make a part 2. Well, in today's video, we're finally designing my subscribers' cars again, because you guys absolutely smashed the goal. But before we get into it, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you for all the support lately. I genuinely appreciate everyone who's been watching the videos and supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me, bro. Also, shout out to these absolute legends on the screen right now. If you also want a shout out in the next video, all you've got to do is subscribe, drop a like, and comment shout out. Okay, bro, so last time, I designed random subscribers' cars that I met in-game. But this time, I wanted to do things a little differently and reward the people who genuinely support the channel. And I figured the best way to do this would be by giving a car to the first person who commented on my last video, which is ECL, and also giving cars to the 5 people with the most comments on the channel. Unfortunately, I was only able to get in touch with one of those 5 people, which is Edward. And the remaining 4 didn't reply or didn't have Discord or Instagram where I could talk to them. For some reason, ECL also stopped replying to me and never accepted my Discord friend request. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get in touch with him either. So instead of letting the cars I was going to give those guys go to waste, I'm going to be giving them in the comments section to you guys. One car will go to the first person to comment on this video. Another will go to whoever gets the most liked comment. And I'll be giving 2 cars to random comments. Just make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and have Discord or Instagram. Anyways, I told Edward to pick any car he wanted from cplegends.com. And he ended up choosing this Ferrari LaFerrari. So I went ahead and bought it for him. And then we arranged a time for him to pick it up. The car originally cost around €2.40, but after using the code SAVE40, I was able to get 40% off, which made it even cheaper. If you guys don't know, cplegends.com is a website where you can buy highly detailed in-game designed cars for really cheap. They've got loads of different designs to choose from. And I thought it would be much better to let Edward pick whatever he actually wanted instead of making a design he might not even like. And just like Edward, the 4 winners that I'll be picking in the comments section will get to pick any car they want from cplegends.com. Now, just like last time, we're going to head into some public servers with this car and see if we can find any of our subscribers so we could transform their cars into something clean. Alright boys, so I just joined the server and found this little hiding spot so nobody could see my car. The server I joined does seem pretty loaded, so I thought we'd have a good chance of finding some subscribers. I wrote in the chat 3 times asking everyone who their favorite YouTuber was, but I got completely ignored. So I gave up and left to join a different server. So I went back to the same spot in the new server and asked everyone in the chat who their favorite CPM YouTuber was. And surprisingly, a player named Danny actually replied and said it was me. So obviously I had to pull up next to him and see what he was driving. After talking to him for a bit, I managed to convince him to sell me his car.
Nice.
After that, I told Danny to stay online for about 40 minutes while I worked on the car. Since I didn't really have a lot of time, I decided to recreate the design I made in this video, but with a different color. And honestly, this is how it turned out. The car actually took way less time to make than I thought it would. I managed to finish the whole thing in just 23 minutes, and luckily Danny was still online. So I joined his room, gave him the car back, and sold it to him for the same $10 million that I originally gave him. He seemed really happy with the car, and I'm pretty sure he actually loved how it turned out. So I'd say this one was a success. After giving Danny his car back, I still wanted to design one more subscribers car. But instead of finding someone on a random server, I decided to give everyone a fair chance to find me. So I made a post telling you guys exactly where I'd be and what time I'd be online. The first subscriber to find me would win a free car customization. I didn't reveal my in-game ID, so you guys actually had to find me yourselves. And everyone had a fair chance to find me. So after the time hit, I joined a public city 2 server and went straight to the exact spot from the picture I'd posted. I was expecting you guys to start looking for me pretty quickly, but surprisingly, I ended up waiting there for almost 40 minutes with nobody showing up. I was honestly starting to think nobody was going to find me, but then, out of nowhere, someone finally pulled up. Yep, someone actually found me. I was actually surprised someone managed to find me after all that time, and I almost fell asleep whilst waiting for one of you guys to show up. I asked him if he had Discord or Instagram so I could contact him later, but he said he didn't have either of them. So instead, he gave me his email, and I told him I'd send him an email once I'd finished designing his car. After that, he sold me his BMW M3, and specifically asked me to give it a most wanted style design. There's just one little problem though. I don't actually have the premium subscription, which means I can't access the body kits we need for the livery because they're locked behind premium. So before we can even start designing the car, we've got to figure out a way to get those body kits. And honestly, I think the only way we're going to be able to do that is by finding someone who has premium, asking them to get the body kits for us, and paying them maybe 15 or 20 million for their help. So I immediately got to work and started looking for someone with premium who could help us out. The first premium player I found literally left the server without saying anything. And the only thing I'd even said to him was, yo. The second player completely ignored me, and the third one just straight up said no. So at this point, I was starting to think this was going to be way harder than I expected. But luckily, the 4th player I found actually came through. He told me he didn't have any coins, but he did have an M3 with all the premium body kits we needed. I asked him if I could buy it from him, and this guy literally said he'd just give it to me for free. So he sent me a friend request, told me to open a room, and then joined and sold me the car for absolutely nothing. After that, I finally told him who I actually was, and promised him that once I was done designing this BMW, I'd give him a designed car. He was honestly so excited, and I can't lie, It was pretty wholesome seeing his reaction. By the way, if you guys have made it this far, make sure to comment W, so I know who the real channel supporters are.
W's in the chat.
Anyways, now that we finally got all the body kits we need, let's get to work and start designing this thing. Alright, bro. So after spending some time working on it, I finally finished the BMW, and then emailed Luca to come online and join me so I could give him his car back. After he joined, I sold the BMW back to him, and he went crazy over it. Now, unfortunately, the guy who gave me the M3 body kits is offline right now, so I couldn't give him a designed car before finishing this video. But I haven't forgotten about my promise, and I'll definitely give him a designed car once he's back online. And with that, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. If you guys enjoyed the video and want to see a part 3, let's try to smash another 1,000 likes and 200 comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sexy, boys. Peace.